Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how can we use plotting for data visualization. From the data science, everyone use matplotlib and seaborn to visualize different type of data interactively. But plotting is too much easier and it is useful for interactive visualization compared to matplotlib and seaborn. So for this purpose, I make a simple video that how you can use plotty for better understanding and better visualization compared to matplotlib and seaborn. For making this tutorial, I make a simple dataset on restaurant sales. Suppose the restaurant will be KFC or Domino's Pizza. So this is the 7 days sales of the restaurant. The dataset contains the information and the sales item, pizza, burger, pasta, and the drinks. Okay, this is the sample dataset. Now I make a panda data frame and I make a new column that was total sales. So this is my data frame. First of all, I wanted to visualize this in a table, and using plotly you can easily make a table use. Okay, so in this table you see that the Saturday sales is too much higher and the Monday sales is too much lower. Okay, this is the simple way you can make a table using plotting. Now I am to show you how can you make a bar chart easily using plotting. This is a sample code. First of all, you have to define the x axis and the y axis and the color and the title and the text. Okay, so this is the sample a bar chart, and in this bar chart you find that the Saturday sales is too much higher compared to other days. So in this inside you find that the Saturday and Sunday are the busiest sales day because these 2 days the sales price quantity is too much higher compared to others day. So this is a simple insight in this bar chart. Now I am to show another form of visualization bar chart with each product separately. Suppose it's Monday, I wanted to show what amount of pizza sales. Suppose the pizza sale is 120, the burger is 100, the pasta is 80, and the drinks is only 60. So this is a simple way of bar chart with each product separately. And when you hover the chart, you will show the quantity. Okay, so in this chart you will see each product more visually. Okay, so I now want to show a pie chart that was more easier for understand which product are the most sales in this restaurant. Suppose in this pie chart the 33% is pizza and the lowest is the drinks. So in this restaurant most of the time the pizza sales is too much higher compared to the other item. Okay, so the our insight is pizza and burger make up the majority of total revenue of the restaurant. You can plot a line chart using plotiols. The line chart is simple. You have to define the x-axis and define the y-axis and then the title and the marker. So this is a simple line chart, and in the Saturday you show that the quantity of sales item per each day. Okay, the sales trend over the week. Now I show how can you plot a scatter plot. In this before we plot scatter plot in matplotlib or seaborn, but I plotted this is more much more interactive because when you hover the chart you find the values of each product item. So in this scatter plot, I select only two items, pizza and the burger, and thus I make it the color of day. And this is the chart. And in this Friday, I found that the pizza sales is 200 and burger sales is 180. Okay, this is the our scatter plot. Now I am to show how can you make a stack bar chart. That was I want to show each product sales for each day. Suppose in Saturday, this is the each product: drinks, pasta, burger, and also the pizza. This is another type of visualization as a stack bar. Now I am to show you that you can make a correlation related chart that was called heat map. Uh, in earlier we make heat map using Seaborn, but it is much more easily understandable that when we apply plotting for heat map. So in this heat map, I show that I found that there is a much more correlation with pizza and the drinks because the correlation value is too much higher. And when a person buy a pizza, there is much more probability the person will buy a drinks also. This is the correlation of each product is correlated to another product. That's the main scenario of correlation chart. Okay. Now I'm to show you that another is compare total versus average sales. Suppose in a restaurant there is target that each day my total sale will be upper than 500. If the sales is upper than 500, think I will make a good revenue of this day and make a good profit. If the sales is lower than 500, then will be not profitable on this day. So you can make easily using a line that was average sales, and in this chart I found that Friday, Saturday and Sunday is our profitable days, and rather day we are not yet much more profitable. So this is the reason why we found that in the weekend time, the restaurant didn't give us the offers. The restaurant always give offer in the working day because in the working day the sales quantity is lower. So that's the easy and simple visualization that how you can make using plotting. And the main features of plotting that when you hover a chart you will show the values of different type of features also. So thank you for watching my video.